These are visuals that are coming in, right, I said, outside the Ahilyabai Holkar Hospital. I want to bring in Jayant Menkar, political analyst, senior journalist. Jayant Menkar, what does this really mean right now for the NCP? Because it's come at the back of even of it coming together, a poor performance, even in areas like Baramati, which is its strongest hold, very little limited options that lie in front of it today.
See, let us accept that this NCP is confined to 3 or 4 districts, Maharashtra, and particularly when the split in NCP, Ajit Pawar group became strong, and now with Ajit Pawar is not being there, will Sunetra Pawar or Parth Pawar fill in his shoes, and will their leadership be acceptable to the Ajit Pawar faction? Someone like Chhagan Bhujbal
Okay.
would come. We cannot forget. We
Mr.
cannot forget
Menkar, can I
Sunetra
just,
Pawar had
I'm sorry I'm coming in, and the reason I'm really coming in is because I think they're just going through the visuals there. Um, these are tragic visuals, and this is, tragedy, that the untimeliness of it all that has been scripted this morning, which will forever have a bearing in Maharashtra politics, which will forever have a bearing on the Pawars. Who you see inside right now are the two sons of Ajit Pawar, Parth Pawar and Jay Pawar, and you can see them. You can, these are tragic visuals. And sadly, when you're public figures, your grief is on display. Mr. Menkar, continue. Go ahead, sir.
and in this situation, will there someone like Chhagan Bhujbal would come in, or there were talks of NCs coming together? We cannot forget Sunetra Pawar attended even RS enclave also. So obviously, Ajit Pawar trying to go close to RSS. I mean, there was a talk on that Prithviraj Chauhan had it, that it is quite possible that the group may go head to head. It is quite possible that some from CP may join even BJP, and BJP may get strengthened, which is as a single largest falling short to absolute majority or simple majority of 145. So I think that there will be political upheavals, though some are also saying that nothing will happen, and the split party, Ajit Pawar's faction will continue. But I think so. There will be political upheavals,
True.
and there may be a possible merger or at least break in
A
the
possible
NCP
merger or a
faction of
possible
Ajit
break
Pawar.
where the NCP is concerned. Once again, viewers, these are the visuals, and you can see that kind of love that Ajit Pawar had where the people of Baramati are concerned. Let's try and connect once again with Shaina NC. Shaina, if you can hear us this time, I come to you less as someone who's a spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde, but more so as someone who has worked alongside Ajit Pawar, who's seen him, who've known him personally. How would you remember? Shaina, can you hear me?
I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, we can. Go ahead, Shaina.
You can. I said, let me start by paying condolences to Ajit Pawar, Dada, and his entire family, Sunetra Vaini, Jay, Parth. They are my neighbors, my immediate neighbors. We share the same boundary wall, and over the years, one has seen the way he has worked tirelessly, not just for Baramati, but also for the people of Maharashtra. And every morning, Preeti, believe it or not, even today, from 6 a.m. to 7:30, he meets with people outside his home, and one sees the kind of crowds that assemble there. So 50 years of being in public life, I wish people would take a different perspective today, Preeti, and Rajdeep would know that, everyone thinks that, oh, a politician must go on a helicopter or a plane or by road or by train, but definitely make it to the Jilla Parishad campaign, go here, go there. Everyone does it, but there is a risk attached too, which one needs to be sensitive about. So when one hears comments like Mamta Banerjee's, it's so unfortunate that today you want to bring in politics even here to say that people are not safe. Look at the amount of people who have lost lives, whether it is Jyotiraditya ji's father or Sachin Pilot losing his life, or Pankaja Munde's father, Gopinath Munde, or for that matter, even more recently Rupani ji. And this has all been travel prone accidents. That's what we need to focus on, travel prone accidents, and understand that rather than playing conspiracy theory, it's time to also understand how difficult the life of a politician is. And as we bid farewell to him, we give him accolades for being the irrigation minister, finance minister, and of course the deputy chief minister, working tirelessly from Baramati as an MLA to becoming a deputy chief minister. 50 years in service is a long, long innings. And when you pay tribute, you don't play speculation and politics there. That's my limited point.
No, a fair point, China, and I think that was something that was shut down and has been shut down with with Sharad Pawar himself coming out and saying that it was an accident, don't politicize it,
Amit.
and it was possibly in bad light to attribute it to a conspiracy theory without any proof. So, that all aside, I want to, bring in Shekhar Iyer. Before we get in Shekhar Iyer, I want to cut across right now to the residence of Ajit Pawar, where the mortal remains are going to be taken. Then Antim Darshan for anyone. And all roads, like I said, lead to Baramati today. Who want to pay their final respects to Ajit Dada can come and do so. And the final rites will take place tomorrow. The last rites of the Deputy Chief Minister with full state honors. Maharashtra is in 3-day mourning. Maushmi, if you can hear us, I do understand there's not an inch to move where Baramati is concerned. All roads either leading to the Ahilyabai Holkar Hospital in the morning, and now everyone coming to the residence of Ajit Pawar where the mortal remains will rest.
Truly, Preeti, we've driven from Pune to Baramati, and in this entire stretch, we've seen that this entire stretch has come to a standstill, as if time has stopped for the people here. There is a sense of great loss, a sense of great tragedy, as Ajit Dada, they lovingly called Ajit Pawar, has left for his heavenly abode, and they are now waiting for a last glimpse of him. The Vidya Pratishthan, not far away from here, you can see the stream of cars right behind me, people walking on foot, and we've in fact had to walk for a while to get closer, anywhere closer to this place from Baramati Hospital. His mortal remains will be brought here at the Vidya Pratishthan, and what a political legend. He was a grassroots leader. I've spoken to a lot of party workers, and it's not only the NCP workers who are here. It is the common man, farmers, people cutting across the political spectrum, workers from other parties as well, who are waiting to see a last glimpse of him.
Right.
Even if you look behind me, this entire city, there is a very, very sorrowful look throughout as I've come in here, and now anytime now his mortal remains will be brought to
Well,
brought to
we're going to come
Vidya
right back
Pratishthan.
to you, Maushmi. It's a